Hi, my dinos, how are you? I'm so glad that you joined me for a brand new episode. I want to tell you something about the Earth. Did you know that there wasn't just one ice age? You may have heard of the ice age on Earth. It was the time when the woolly mammoths roamed. But this didn't just happen one time 30,000 years ago. There may have been as many as 4 different ice ages in the past. During that time, Earth would have been covered completely in ice. Can you imagine how cold that would be? Okay, dinos, time to do our worksheets. Are you ready? I am. You know why? Because I have you to do it with. First, we write our names. Did I mention how great you are at writing your name? I know I mention this every week, but I always want you to remember that you are doing such a great job. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. Color the shape that is similar. Let's read it one more time. Color the shape that is similar. So today we are coloring a shape that's similar to a rectangle. Does this shape match? This shape? This one? Yes, great job! Let's grab our crayons and color the rectangle. Does this shape match? This one? How about this one? How about this one? And this one? And this one? This one? This one? How about this? Yes, great job, dinos. Grab your crayons. Let's color. My dinos are getting so good at recognizing their shapes. Okay, let's try more. This shape? This one? How about this one? Great job! Let's grab our crayons and color the next rectangle. Okay, let's go for another one. Oh, how about this one? This one? Great job! Grab your crayons. We're almost done, dinos. How about this shape? Or this one? This one? This one? This one? How about this? Great job, dinos. Grab your crayons. You're getting so great at this. You're doing spectacular. Did you know that? Okay, let's try another one. This one? This one? This shape? How about this shape? And this one? How about this? Great job, dinos. You're recognizing all your rectangles. Now, how many shapes did you color? Let's read one more time. How many shapes did you color? Let's count the rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You color 5 rectangles. Now let's write the number 5. Great job, dinos. Let's not forget to color Mr. Rectangle. There he is right there. Isn't he so funny? My dinos are so good at coloring and recognizing their rectangles. Can anyone tell me how many sides to a rectangle? We've done this in our previous worksheets. Did someone say 4? That's correct. Great job. My dinos are so smart, so extraordinary, and so brave. Did I tell you that? Good. You should know that about yourself because you are just so special. Let's not forget his hands and feet. What color did you choose? I chose blue. Oh, that's a great color. You're almost done, dinos. Great job, dinos. I knew you could do it. I can't wait to see you next week for a brand new episode. Bye, my dinos.
Hi everyone! To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!